Hey traders, welcome to Trade This Market video update for May 21st, 2024. So you're looking at a daily and a 4-hour chart of ES contract, which is a proxy for S&P 500. So here we are again, we are not able to go and break this number 53.49. We were able to make one tick above that prior high right here. And then the market is in the after hour session, of course, is basically going nowhere. So it's been about 4 days now, and we're stuck in this range right here. I understand it's a summer tape, so we're not going to have a whole lot of participation, and this is the byproduct of that. And so we had every, the bears had every opportunity to take this market, at least make it to the, to 5,200, but that never actually happened. And what happened is that we came to this power line right here, and then we immediately bounced back to the upside. So, we still have our numbers to the upside: 54.15, 55.40, 56.96, and to the downside, we're looking at 5,200 and then 51.50. So unless and until this market gives us a clear sign that it actually wants to break out or break down, we are going to assume this market is bullish. One caveat though, we are overbought right here extremely. And so anytime when you're extremely bought like this, overbought like this, you have to be careful, especially if you're touching all-time highs here. But it's interesting, market is not really breaking down and it's not overtaking this number. So we'll see first thing in the morning what the 4-hour and the daily chart is telling us. And based on that, we're going to look at our trading plan for tomorrow. Let's talk about today. Today was an interesting day, and we knew from the onset we were looking for long entries only. And so let me bring up a 5-minute chart right here. And so this is what happened. 9:30 market opens up here. We start to get bullish right here. We were just waiting for it to close above the power and the signal line, and then it came back, revisited a couple of times, and then took off to the upside. So ideal entry was right here, 53, 25, 26, somewhere in the zone. And then it took off. Here's the exit. As soon as you close below the signal line right here, candles are red. You have the arrow and you're below the signal line. This is turning red. Get out of the trade, protect your profit. And so that's exactly what we did. So all in all, 25 to about, let's say 36, 35, 10-point gain, 8-point gain, depending on where did you get involved. But in a slow markets like these, you have to remember this is a summer tape. And so not a whole lot of participation is going on. And this type of market, you have to take what you can get. And 7, 8, 10 points, you have to book those profits and call it a day. One more trade that came in the afternoon, I was not around to take this trade, but this could have been a good trade also. Entry was right here, 53.32, and then it got you out at the 37, and so that was it. So 5-point. But like I said, I was not around to take this trade. I was busy doing something else. And so, like I said, we're going to see what happens first thing in the morning. We're going to look at the daily chart, 4-hour chart, and then to see what the London session does overnight. And then we'll have a plan for the upside as well as the downside. Downside targets are still in place, 5,200, 51.56, and then 51.11 is to the downside. And of course, these are zones, not exact numbers. So we'll see whatever market is going to give us. We're going to trade according to that information. So I hope this helps, and I will see you at the next update. Take care.